Oh shit, boys, this is not good. Have fun blowing the engine like my friend did. Fake and gay. This car is not for you, kid. You already have an unreliable car. Why give it a bigger turbo? Why did I give it a bigger turbo? Rip motor, L Prince. Why are people looking at my dick? So I've always been told to never listen to the hate comments because, you know, there's a lot of keyboard mechanics out there in this world who think that they know what they're talking about. But, you know, I don't really let any of that shit get to my head. So today, I just went and picked up a compression tester and we're doing a compression test on my motor. So we just did a compression test on all cylinders and they all range from about 165 to 180. So I'm gonna be honest, half the reason why I did a compression test was because of my beloved hating keyboard mechanics. I really don't give a fuck. But the other half was I was curious. So for now it's looking like a healthy motor, but by all means I know this thing's not invincible and it could very well blow up, but that's content. In the last video you guys know that we weren't able to go fluid boost on the turbo, but that's because I was having a lot of wastegate issues. And I just had it plumbed wrong because I've been talking to CD and some other people and I finally got all the vacuum lines on there correct. I hope. I haven't really driven the car since. I was told that we're good now on that. Still on wastegate pressure, so about 14 pounds of boost. We better let them know something. Here goes nothing.
Smell them brakes?
I can smell them brakes. Yeah, let me get like 30 pounds, please. Yeah, this bitch is moving off wastegate pressure like that. Where's that scat? That scat's scared of it now. He's gonna be backing up in the corner like old cat in the heat. Please be an ignorant teenager like me and want to race, please. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. I want it. Come on. Dog, come here.
Tell him to run it. Tell him to run it. Nah, go get him.
Come on. He's scared of it. Are we doing a 120 roll? Like, what's good?
Uh-oh. Flick your lights at him, flick your lights at him. Man, you should have just kept walking by him.
I could have.
He was definitely shitting his pants though when he was fucking floored and saw you running up on him.
Yeah. Get over 100 and start shaking.
Man, the way it like holds you down, dude, that is a feeling right there. Bro, that clip is crazy.
Oh my God. We got no codes. So that normally means no problem. There's only one guy who hasn't driven it who put in all these hours. Frank Thompson hasn't driven the car yet.
Man, I haven't driven anything with power in a minute. Man, kids are nervous.
You nervous, buddy?
Oh yeah. Oh my God. I need to get used to how your car feels. Bro, that is nuts. The way it wants to keep pulling is sketchy. Crazy. I'm like, stop, stop. give it back.
I know, I'm sitting here like jealous you're driving it right now.
Come on, dude. I only get to drive this every day the rest of my life. Woo! Man, the kid had to pee, almost let it go. Every time I drive some of his, I'm like, yeah, I need that.
The road get rocky again. I'm back in this thing and I brought me a friend.
You wanna run it? Hey, hey! There's a cop. Holy shit, look. As soon as a Corvette pulls up. Dude, this Corvette sounds mean as f. I don't know, boys. We're still on wastegate, and we're still having some issues. Bro, that thing sounds mean. I'm pulling up on him. He nodded his head like he wanted me to follow him. Dog, I'm literally just by myself, and I'm pulling up on a Corvette dude's house. He's got the Lincolns on deck. Yeah. Should I park it?
Anywhere you want.
All right, so what's the move here? We're gonna get some runs in?
Yeah.
You got a TikTok or anything?
I got TikTok, man. Slow Blessed, Carlos Cole Management on IG.
Yeah.
Come check me out.
So you just post Corvette shit and stuff?
Well, I got music,
you got it all?
Music, I do a little bit of everything. This right here, yeah. It's so dirty in there. Hope
Nah,
you
that
edit
bitch is,
shit out.
nah, that thing is clean. Just cleaning the tires before we run it.
Hey, I'm about to put a chain on it real quick, guys.
Put a chain on it?
Put a chain on it.
Bend the chain on the
We're
race?
gonna put the chain on the race.
Let's do it. Let's get it. Bro, that bitch is far from stock. Shit, I better be dripped out. All right. 3, 2, 1. See ya! Go! Holy shit! I did not expect that. Give me that chain. What? I really like him. You guys gotta go follow him on TikTok. We might have to be filming with him. He's funny as shit. Oh, wait. Let's get around the bend. Bro, this shit sounds crazy. Damn, bro, that bitch is fast. That was a good ass race. CD, we need more boost, buddy. I'm gonna turn off traction control. It's like really cold out, but hopefully it don't spin too much because we are on the Mickeys. I'm so proud of this thing right here on wastegate. What? Let's go. We gotta back it up though. There's too many cops around. Yeah. This car broke down. You wanna go in the truck? Damn.
It turned off?
Yeah, his car shut off.
Yo.
Who the fuck is in the game?
He with me right now.
Get that bitch.
Hey, that motherfucker ride, that motherfucker ride. I told Carlos that, hey, that BMW right. Yo.
Yeah, I blew something. I'm down, man, down.
All right, I'm coming. I told him I didn't know if they wanted this big body motherfucking 7.3. They can get that if they want it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a road though. It's gonna be off a road.
You shit to that bitch.
It'll be off a road, but you can get it. All right, let's see what's going on. I blew something. That's a number oil down there.
Yeah. This ain't good. I say we at least push it over there. Bro, there's 2 cops back there. Who did not see us racing? We driving a Vette in neutral. Look, this went from me data logging to just a blown Corvette driving it in neutral. I would open the door so y'all can hear, but I don't know how to open the door. How do you open a Corvette?
The cop says he's gonna come and stop the traffic and just pull over here.
All right, cool. Come on. God damn, boys, well, we just parked a Vette.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it.
So what's the plan? You gonna try to get it towed back, or?
Oh, AAA, baby. We're going straight to the motherfucking shop.
Fuck, I got money. You going straight to the shop?
All right.
You think this gonna stop the game for real?
I'm gonna go get another toy.
Hell
The
yeah.
fuck? This is nothing.
This is nothing.
Found it.
Sad day.
I let my demons in. Shit just started sinking in.